Heyo, guys, we're back. So let's do a little bit more stuff. I think I got a little excited on where to put the hole. I kind of put it too far out. I mean, I could make another hole further in, but really don't want to do that. The problem is when Andy does put a shock on the truck, upper mount is right here, and then the bottom mount's right here. Currently the line is in the way. So I think we're gonna use this hole. There's a hole right here. I'm gonna use that for a clip. Hold it in like that, and then when the shock comes in, like towards the front, we'll hold it in, secure it somehow. Mint. Alright, so we got the lines ran on the side of the frame. It goes all the way down, comes up. So there's the side of the frame, and then it curves over into the manifold. I have tested them again with the bag bolted up. I also got the harness ran to the side. Same as the airlines. It runs to the side of the frame, over the body mounts, and then up to the engine bay. And then we'll run that later on when we're ready. Shiny. Ooh. Yes. Dang. Yes. Wow. Shiny. Yeah, double check if the bearings are in there. Cool. I don't have any cotter pins for any of this, so I gotta go get one. Gotta take this back out. I had a conversation with Andy, and we don't know what kind of ball joints were used, or at least I don't know what kind of ball joints are here, if it's a 63 or a 73 or something. So having the retaining holes lower than the actual castle nut is a concern. The taper on the ball joint might not be sitting correctly inside the spindle, so I gotta check it out. So if you look, this is all the way down, and there's still space between the ball joint and the spindle inside. And if you actually move it, there's a lot of play. That means the only part that's making contact is the top part of the ball joint inside of the spindle. And I don't trust it, so we either have, I think we got to change the ball joint. So it's the same, top and bottom, to where the nut or the ball joint retainer is higher than the castle nut. That means we have to change the ball joints to the correct ball joints. Okay, so for now we'll just move on and replace steering. Okay, so I need a puller. I don't have a puller to pull this out. And then we're gonna pull that and then replace the whole dealio. Aside from the ball joints, everything else is pretty much ran. Just need to tighten up, you know, the tanks and stuff. All right, guys, so that was it. We've done good progress on the truck, and hopefully next time we'll get to do more. Hope to see you guys then. Peace.